Hi guys, I want to show you what this means on the error code for maintenance right here on the Honda CRV. So if it says maintenance due soon B127 and you don't know what this means, this is a error code. What you want to do is you want to go to Honda CRV, turn it on, and you go to settings right here, and then after that you want to go to vehicle, then you want to scroll down, hit the arrow down until you see maintenance info. You hit on that, and what this means is that B, it means oil and filter change, right? So oil life is at 15% right now, so you might want to change, and usually is every 5,500 miles you change the oil on the Honda CRV. Tire rotation is needed every 5,500 miles. Air filters which is located right here under the glove box, and also in the engine for the engine air filter. So glove box, please watch my video on how to change your air filter yourself, so you can order from Amazon in my other video, so you're gonna save a lot of money instead of doing at the dealership. Brake fluid, so brake fluid needs to be changed every 30,000 miles. So you can select reset items. Once you've done all this, you can reset it. Usually if you do it at the dealership, they will reset it for you. Otherwise, if you do it yourself, you can just reset it yourself to reset it. So you do select reset, say all due items or which one that you've done. Air filter you've done already, so air filter, we like to reset maintenance information wildlife B1 air filter. Yeah, I'm gonna do this because I already reset it. Otherwise, just keep there's a lot of items right here, and you can go back right here, and yeah, so to check your oil life, you can also see right here in the steering wheel, you can tap on here on the I button right here, and it's gonna show a menu on the top right here. So that menu right here, if you use the arrow right here to move, to navigate, you go to the wrench icon, right? Enter, select it, and it's going to show you the oil life, also the error code. If in case your error code is not showing up, you want to see the error code. That's how you see the error code, and that's how you check for what the error code means right now. If you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.